Awesome. Thank you very much. Let's go. Got it right over here. Let's go and pull on over. Okay, well, I'm actually, I just got my burrito. It's called the Happy Burrito, and it's supposed to be, you know, the vegetarian version. And but look how huge this is. This is really huge. Right here. Look at that. And I am ooze because of the shredded chicken sauce. Look at that. Okay, I'm gonna take my first bite. Ooh, where's my napkins? Oh, here we go. I always ask for a lot of napkins, and this time I totally forgot. It's juicy. I just love that. The shredded chicken, it's probably boiled in a pot for hours, and you know the flavors. It's so tender and soft. It shreds in your mouth, and the flavor. You know the sauce mixed in with the guacamole, the pico de gallo, the onions, which I love, and then the black. You know, the cool thing about it, they typically normally serve it with refried beans, which I totally love, but very high count in uric acid, and that is not gut friendly. Pardon me for slurping, but usually the juices ooze out, and I gotta tell you, it's very good. And that's part of the reason. It's part of the trick to eating it this way. You know, what you want to do, essentially, it's like you know, peeling. You want to strategically peel around. It will help you manage as you devour your burrito. I do what I've been doing for years. Right here, you know, it's almost like a cone. So essentially, what I'll do is that each time I eat, I will continue to squeeze. Hopefully, a tip is that you know the foil. I don't like to shred the foil all the way through because there might be a time where you might need to eat half, literally still reuse the foil. So one of the tips is try not to, you know, shred by having it like a cone. Look at this. So let's say in the event that, and it does happen depending on the, you know, the fixings that you get, the juices and the sauce will flow down here. So that will kind of a helpful tip in case you're chips. Boomer, so I've been coming here, eating here since I was in my 20s, and perhaps it brings fond memories. Right over here. Ooh, I typically like to drink it. I love salsa. Oh, you know what? You know, it's been a few months since I came here, so I'm not sure. I think they might have upped the spice because it has a nice little spicy kick, and I love spiciness. I'm here at El Faro's in South San Francisco. They do have a drive-thru, highly recommended. They're right across from El Camino. There's even a Taco Bell that sometimes I go to, and I'm gonna is part of the you know, the gut-friendly, healthy review. I do love this burrito. It is a Happy Burrito. Highly recommend it. The chips are really great, and I love the fact that they have a drive-thru, so you can just sit here in the parking lot like I am. And I'm gonna go ahead and finish this. And thank you for stopping by. Boomer on the move. Mmm.